Camera, please. The call of the wild. The mating habits of the local species. The flight of majestic birds. The bond between parent and child. Animals doing what animals do. It doesn't get any wilder than this.
Oh, yeah?
It's finally here! My new home computer!
Great! We can play Space Zombies!
No way! Through the marvel of modern technology, I'm finally able to expand my educational horizons! Exploring, surfing, learning! Space Zombies, right!
Here's the instruction manual.
Hey, Dodo. What are you doing?
Playing Space Zombies. No, try sticking your leg this way and stretching your head that way.
My head doesn't stretch that way.
Quiet! Almost had it. Try bending your knee into Lyle's neck while holding this toaster.
Somebody's pinching.
Hold on. I think we're getting something.
Hang on, Freeborn. More breaking news on the Ella story.
This is it. Gosh, I love showbiz.
Unless you've been living under a rock, and much of our viewing audience does, you know that Ella, the world's most gorgeous and talented elephant, will be in Freeborn today. Just a rest stop, and then it's off to the set of her next movie, In and Out of Africa.
I think Tito is trying to tell us something.
Sign language. I'm good at this. He's saying he's going to crash.
No. Eugene's got a rash.
Eugene's having a bath.
Boy, she's good.
Tito, time for my manicure. Tito!
Look, Eugene's getting less filthy.
Why would he go to all that trouble?
If I didn't know any better, I'd say Eugene was getting ready for a date.
A date? With who?
Ella, la 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 la, Ella, la 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 la.
I wonder, who is Eugene going on a date with?
Ella, my wrinkly gumdrop.
There must be some way to find out who he's going out with.
Oh, Ella, gal of my dreams. Ella.
Well, I'm stumped.
Ella, the movie star. That's who.
Right. That was going to be my second guess.
Put your back into it, Tito. I got a wedding to plan.
A wedding? Boy, you work fast.
No. Hey, who's with you back there?
We weren't eavesdropping. Honest, we were just,
Get over here! Your nose is like a gray hose that sweetly blows a tune. Your eyes are like ball bearings, bright. Your skin, a silver prune.
All right, I admit it. We were eavesdropping. Now, please, stop torturing us.
Are you criticizing my poetry?
Your poetry? No. It's just the opposite. I was afraid you were going to stop.
Really? Is it that good?
It's better.
Great! Come on, Tito, it's time for my makeover. This look is getting kind of old.
I can't believe a star of Ella's magnitude would come to a place like Freeborn.
I can't believe you used the word magnitude properly.
Not much of a turnout.
All right, right, everyone. Form a line to my right and have your autograph books ready. I'm afraid I haven't much time for... Who is that?
Yeah, who is that?
I trust I'm not too late.
Oh, my.
Welcome to Freeborn. My name is Eugene. Allow me to give you the grand tour.
Delighted. Would you be kind enough to bring the 2 small bags up to my room, please?
Which are the 2 small ones?
Whoa! Oh,
Oh.
I think I see an opportunity here.
Look out! It's Eugene! Nothing like a little dip before brunch.
Hey, Eugene, don't mind sharing the old pond, do you?
Of course not, Dodo. I don't mind at all.
Hey, everybody! Eugene wants to share!
Oh, well, yes. How does brunch sound?
Splendid.
It's so nice to have someone of culture visit the preserve. At times it gets so dreadfully lonely, you know.
Oh, Eugene, look, a petunia patch. Oh, I remember when I was young, how I would love to trample petunias, stomping and crushing and stamping.
Yes! Yes! I mean, yes, to be young and foolish again.
Well, maybe just young. What you got here? I smell bratwurst baguettes. Ooh, it's a big one.
I say, Dodo, old chum, we're having a private little picnic here.
I'm stopping by the Freeborn Daycare Center on the way back to my place. Want me to drop this off for the kiddies?
Oh, by all means. Anything for the little ones.
Swell. In that case... See you later.
And I call this one Existential Swirly Whirl. And this one I painted during my blue period.
Have you other talents you're keeping from me?
I had no idea Eugene could play the bagpipes so badly.
Good, bad. Who can tell with bagpipes?
Hey, Dodo, where are you going with my barbecue?
I'm borrowing it for my charity cookout. You don't mind, do you?
No. Borrow away. It's for charity, after all.
Hey, isn't that Eugene's barbecue?
Not anymore.
Dodo, aren't you worried that when Ella leaves, Eugene is going to remember what you've done to him?
Ella's bought into his whole swamp debonair act. She's crazy about him. When she leaves, Eugene will be going with her.
But if that happens, we'll lose one of our best buddies.
And finally get the water hole all to ourselves.
There's a great echo from up here. Go ahead, try it.
Sometimes, without a script, I'm at a loss for words.
Not me. Hello! Hello! How are you? I'm fine. Can't hang around. Got things to do. See you. See you. Ella, wait up. Ella? Who's Ella? Ella, what is it? Have I done something wrong?
No, that's the problem. You're doing everything right. I came to Freeborn to get away from all this politeness and civility.
But I thought you liked me because I was suave and debonair.
No, I liked you because you are one fine-looking hunk of pachyderm. For once, I'd like to meet a rebel, a guy who just loves to cut loose.
Did you say cut loose?
Oh, Eugene, are you sure you won't change your mind?
I can't, Ella. I've realized something today. I don't belong in Hollywood. I belong here. Bullying others, wreaking havoc, exacting revenge on opportunistic birds. In the grand scheme of things, I guess the lives of 2 elephants just don't add up to a hill of beans.
But we'll always have this place.
What we left of it! Ella! Ella!
So much for getting the water hole to ourselves. I guess we'll just have to go back to swimming in Dodo's bathtub.